这是我们一层的打磨车间，外面是隔离的，里面是车间，有2排打磨车间。今天这一排没有上班，我们来看看这一排。
This is our newly upgraded sanding and finishing workshop, designed in compliance with environmental and workplace safety standards. The workshop is equipped with an efficient dust extraction system that captures sanding dust at the source, creating a cleaner and safer working environment while allowing our technicians to work with greater precision. Bright, evenly distributed lighting enables detailed surface inspection during sanding. This ensures a smooth surface before painting, resulting in flawless paint adhesion, uniform color, and a rich, high-quality finish on every mannequin.